and I'm back with another video. Guys, in the type of kind of video girl I go drop today. Well, today guys, me I do an egg challenge with me and Sharp Boss. So you know me always a prank.
5 is still 5
Yeah.
to me.
5 for him and 5 for
him.
me. So guys, see there you can see the eater come out of the egg. Look, take a close range to them, yeah? At like fire. So guys, I'm gonna see who can eat off the 5 egg first. So guys, I have the money. The winner will get $5,000. So let me take out the $5,000 for the winner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So guys, see there. Me want to see who gonna win this time. So Kayla is a video girl, yeah. So we are 20 minutes. Who have phone? Wait, you have a phone, Raj?
See my phone.
Look for Sharpman phone. We are going to use 20 minutes. 20 minutes so we can eat off the 5 egg. Guys, we at Kayla. Count to 3. Alright, Jay, one now count to 3. No, Sharpman.
No,
I want to count. Look here, when you say 1, 2, 3, you go start. Now, but I count up the egg and then you want to go start. Come, tell me when you're ready, Raj. Start.
Ready. 1.
One hand first.
No, take your match first.
No, you got to when you start, when you count, you're ready. Count. Come.
1,
Wait,
2,
time and start.
You know the time and the start. Hold on. Because me know that this a boy can't win me today. This boy can't win me. Hold on. Minutes. 10 minutes. So guys, 1, 2, 3, go.
Jesus Christ, this one boy. One boy.
No, sir. Hi.
No, wrong.
Someone, you can't use that. I challenge you and you can't use the curtain. Use your hand. Your man, you're a man and me a woman and me there. Guys, look like the egg overboiled. Look like the egg overboiled. Shaman, me have a pan?
That's hot. You know that one is hot. I need to ask what I know. Sometimes it boy too much. It boy too much.
Yeah, man. That's chill.
You should take off the young camera that after you see that come off her oxygen.
Please pick the egg good. Please pick the egg good.
Me not put you in no sash. If there is no eat that. Patenda.
7 minutes and second and count down.
It feels fast. Me take a win. Me take a win. You want no face, you want. So where's that?
You want more time? More time, more time. Not bad, so open the home. What my boy have to you know?
Oh my boy, man. He never tell me your boy so. You see? Watch it. Where is the one gone?
You have to pick it good though.
Can't be good, see. You know say hot. You wouldn't buy that one. I told you the one the boy good. Why not boy good?
Guys. Alright. More team still a chance so. Me beat the boy. Still have been able to try. Yes, guys. Yes. Me not like me animal bone me. Yes, guys. So the money belongs to who? Me, of course. Right through. Shaman audio.
Feel hot. And the breeze out to me.
Come back and we'll end the video. So guys, yes, me win. As you can see, me win. So, why get lost? Why me this are two? I know the water. Oh, it's like come out of the water, guys. Me hot, still hot. Yes, guys, enough of the video. So remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and tell a friend what the Stiff Breast channel. Yes, guys, it's been a while now. Me no post, so me I will drop something for you later. Yes, guys. So I'm back in the building now. Yes, guys. So remember to like, share, make sure you subscribe, and leave a comment. Who win? I'll do me know say me win. Yeah, I'm out. Later. Bye.